Hello. For the whole school year, we've been reading the Burgess Bird book. So I've decided, hey, let's make this experiment about bird beaks. So let me explain the tools we've been using. Here's a BBQ stick, some tweezers. No, not some tweezers. A tweezer and a plier. This is heavy guy. This tongs as a duck bill. Oh, and there goes our baby. Here we show. Here's our paper. And don't mind these. We're using our stuff that we have. So here's we have rice, nuts, and sausages. Here they are. Here's the rice. Here's the sausage. Yum. And now the sausage represents worms. The rice and nuts represent stuff, hard stuff that
grains.
Yeah.
Okay. So
grains.
What are we gonna do first?
Grains. Okay, we're gonna do tweezers. Hopefully this is hungry.
Okay, let's move this
Let's
out.
move this. Moving day. It's time to move from home.
Oh, don't forget our timer. We will time.
Yeah, it's time for these. It's time for these tools to move from home. So
We'll
we have
put
space
the
for the
timer
food.
for 10 minutes
Okay.
each tool.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm
Here
just
we go.
gonna. Okay, I have a joke about moving. While we're picking up tools, I have a joke. About moving out of a house.
What?
These tools are moving out of the house and moving space for some new people to move in. That's it's not really a joke, but I don't know what you want. I don't know what you're gonna call it. Whatever you want to call it. Yeah.
All right, you're doing great with your beak.
Yeah. He's hungry. Yep. Hopefully I can get some more. Okay. There. How many do we have?
We still have.
I'm still concentrating on this food. Okay, this one.
Yeah, keep going.
How many food do we have then? By the way.
I'll just put it on the side first.
We'll count it. And then put it back in so the other beaks can have some too. The plate represents a stomach of a bird.
Mm-hmm.
And these foods will represent their real life counterparts. Put it in. Yep. Put it in. How many more minutes do we have? I said, how many more minutes do we have?
So far we've got 8 minutes.
Wow. And I've already got a lot. LOL. LOL. Oh, did it just break? Did it just snap? I skipped the rest of the rice picking because it would be boring to see me pick some rice. And it will be the same for the rest. Some hair on the sausage. I don't hair on my food.
Okay, timer.
So, timer 6. Okay. Strong entrance.
Well, you're able to pick it up.
Okay, it's hot. It's definitely okay. I'll just give it some help. Let's give it some help with a human. It's hard to take off, so let's just use the hands to take it off. So we've already finished the sausage in time.
Let's try the nuts.
Oh wait, timer. Our animal timer.
Okay, go.
Already started. Ding. On one side as always. gonna be hard to pick up these nuts. I'm quite surprised. Actually, we got quite a few nuts.
And what else? We got quite a few rice.
And all the stock.
All this, so
sausages.
it can pick up big foods for smaller beak.
Yeah, can pinch it. See? See, you can pinch it. So take off. You need some hand help to take it off.
Okay, next, what's our tool? Next tool.
Next tool. What do we got?
Toothpick?
Yeah, toothpick.
Okay.
Now, we're not gonna include the rice. I don't think we're gonna include
Well,
the rice.
obviously, yeah, that'll be hard.
See,
So
it's gonna be frustrating carrying any of these.
Okay, now hold on. Okay, now we're going to use what?
The toothpick.
The toothpick. Okay, so let's see if it can move.
And the timer.
Okay.
The usual timer.
Go.
I'm a bird, not. It's kind of frustrating to take this off.
Okay.
You have to you have to wiggle it. I have something to say before I continue. It's easy because the perk about using this is you can punch 2 in 1. Go. Just wiggle it off. And boom. So it's gonna already finish. Again, we're not gonna include the, not again, but I'm just gonna say, we're not gonna include the rice because it's gonna be so frustrating to put it inside their pens again. But, dangle it off. Now some might break because, and there we go. There's the first broken. Nope. And done. Already.
What about the nuts? It won't, huh? Okay, so it's hard. All right. Now the next tool.
Next tool.
Which one?
Tongs. Duck.
Oh, hold on. Let me picture
Yeah,
this
let's
one
picture it.
using the toothpick.
Yeah, let's picture it. Next tool. Again, we have the tongs. Chicken. Again,
We're
timer.
gonna start with the rice.
Yeah. Let's just
Okay, you
test
can
this.
use one hand. You can't use 2 hands because that's your beak.
We don't have 2 muscles here. We're
So
a
use
bird.
one hand.
But then we should be careful that this could drop.
Okay, timer, go.
It doesn't want to pick up. How about we do it flat? I can't pick up that way. I can't pick up. I can plow it. Oh. Almost all the rice. I got some left.
It's almost empty for about 10 minutes of picking the food. And then next is what?
Meat.
The meat. Okay, put another 10 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, go.
Of course, Filipinos should have something with their rice. So. Okay, this is easy.
This is easy. I think this is gonna be less than 10 minutes. Obviously.
Yeah, obviously these are tongs. They are meant to pick up meat. And you probably have at home tongs and you grill stuff. So obviously it's good for picking up meat. From falling. So obviously it's already.
Okay, so what about the nuts?
Let's try. Continue. Keep the 10 minutes going. Yep, it's gonna be easy. Quite easy. Move this to the side a little bit. You can already see where this is going.
Careful.
Careful to not mix any.
So this
Now-
is what we pick up.
Yeah, we got all the
using what?
nuts. We got most of the rice. We got all the beef. We left
Using
the
what?
we left the
Oh,
shells
those are
that
just-
yeah,
yeah.
those are just
So
things that fell.
what tool did you use for that? You have
Tongs.
the tongs. Now the last tool will be
And tweezers.
okay.
Let's write the tongs. Let's count it.
No, it's like almost all. So let's just put all. For the rice, there's just tiny pieces left. So
All. That isn't how you spell all. And the nuts.
yeah, all of it. And the meat. Okay.
Wow, it's almost all for it's all of them for the tongs. So if you're feeding a duck, watch out. It's gonna
You
eat.
can go and observe the ducks.
If you feed a duck, watch out. It's gonna eat all your food.
Yeah, because remember when we feed the ducks?
Yeah.
We feed them sometimes biscuits, bread,
Some stuff.
some chips,
Yeah, some stuff that you would normally see in stuff that
anything,
they
huh?
would feed in. Yeah.
like leftover bread.
Stuff that you don't need.
The ducks would eat them.
Stuff that you don't need. They'll eat anything.
Okay, so the last one is
Tweezers.
tweezers. So we will just going to transfer the food back into the little plates.
Let's record
The saucer,
this.
I mean. Hang on.
Oh, what the?
Hang on, I don't have a timer.
Yeah, but then the tweezers accidentally spilled everything because it's not meant for rice. So I accidentally spilled everything
Hang
at the
on.
first go.
Let's put so we will see how much rice. It's okay.
I
You're
accidentally
going to
spilled a
s-
lot on the
select
first
that.
go of the tweezer.
Like how would bird eat? It will go like this. Okay?
Like you would see in. Yep, this is gonna take a long time.
Okay, then we'll come back after 10 minutes. Okay, timer. There you go. For the meat,
Yep,
let's use the
the classic staple of bird kind. A staple of bird food. Worms. Which is our sausages in this case. In the case of doing this at home, use sausages, please. If you want to do this, I prefer using sausages, since if you don't have real worms. In less than 10 minutes, we ate all the
we
worms.
got all the meat. Okay, now the nuts.
Let's see.
Hang on, let's move this rice.
I don't think it's meant to eat nuts.
No, careful. What about the peanuts? Well, you got one.
Oof. Peanuts. Let's not use our hands, shall we? All obviously for sausage, not too much here, and only
Too much for
41.
this size.
There's only 63. Let's summarize it.
Okay, hold
Let's
on.
go get our paper. Wait, this doesn't fall.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Yep. And here we go. Summarize it. You read it. You guys read it.
Okay, so tell us What happened in the experiment?
Now I'm gonna read it. So what happened in the experiment? Rice. 90 for the chopsticks / tweezers. Nuts, 31. Sausages, all. Toothpicks, 0, all. Tongs, almost all. The tweezers.
Yeah. No, we didn't use the tweezer. We used the pliers.
63, 42, all.
41.
Oh, 63, 41, all.
Okay, and then we'll continue your experiment using your we're gonna make your observation and we'll share it to them.
Yeah.
So that's the result.
I'll go. Oh, and before I leave, I have something to say. Chopsticks / tweezers and tongs are one of the best. Some are the best tools for use for the best tools for representing duckbills. So let's just say these are not duckbills, but these are beaks. The best beaks. This one and this one. Because
Why do you think it's the best?
Because this can pick up a lot of rice.
Mm-hmm.
It can pick up some nuts. And then it can obviously pick up all sausages. And this one can pick almost all.
Which one? Which one?
For the rice.
Which one?
Rice.
No, which tool you're talking
The
about?
tongs.
Okay.
Can pick up almost all rice. Nuts, all for the tongs. And sausage, all. So those are the 2 best things that you're gonna use. Bye.
So, what is your observation about the
Observation?
beaks and the birds in general?
Birds have different beaks for different purposes. The tweezers eats this because its bird, its counterpart bird, probably eats worms.
Mm-hmm.
And one bird could eat this. And then the tongs could eat anything actually.
Mm-hmm.
And the chopsticks / tweezers, it could eat almost anything, just like the tongs. So that's my observation.
Okay.
Bye.